gonna do a slime challenge. We have basically how we're gonna do it is we have a bunch of stuff, slime ingredients here, and then we're going to bowl. Now all we have to do is
Take from the
bag. So we're
yeah.
gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Okay. Oh, I got glue on my hands.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so she'll go first.
Okay, is it this one? Here I got lime. I got the color lime. Okay, wow. I mean, I like lime, the color lime, but like lime for slime.
I think it might look okay.
Yeah.
We just have to actually find lime.
Yeah.
There you go. This is lime.
Oh my god. This looks pretty actually.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that almost fell in my slime.
Don't put a lot of color or your whole slime will be lime. Hey, that rhymes. Clear glue looks so cool. So guys, we're using clear glue, but you can also use white glue. It does the same thing if you're like putting color in.
I'm just gonna mix this and I'm gonna see if I want.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's such a cool color.
That's
Whoa.
so pretty. Yeah.
That's so pretty.
I didn't actually think this color would be this pretty. It's so pretty.
It looks like a lighter shade of guacamole.
Yeah, but just I want more of this. I'm so cool.
So cool. No,
Just one more drop. It was so cool. It's like,
okay. Now
I'm so happy I got one.
yeah, clear.
Now, please don't be, I really don't want one of these. Please don't be allergic.
Why is it one more sticky?
But I don't want it.
I got blueberry.
No, man, I wanted blueberry.
This is probably can't see it. It's like a dark blue.
It's dark blue.
Let's put one back and see what happens. Oh my god, it's so cool when you mix it. Oh, I'm not putting it anymore. I've already made it pretty well. It's a really cool color.
Like,
So, so yours looks pretty cool actually. I kind of like it better. But mine is super cool too.
yeah, I like it.
It's like ocean blue. Okay. So, now that we've taken our first turn, it's time for round number 2.
Please, please. What if it's a color?
Then, oh my god, if it's a color, then it's going to get
Strawberry.
okay. Well, you can put beans in there.
Yeah, I'm not.
Strawberry is really cool. Okay.
Oh, I kind of agree.
It's like using colors. That's it. I have a feeling that your slime is going to like black.
It's probably gonna turn brown. Yes, yeah, it's turning brown.
Oh, it looks like colors.
Can I put some more lime, please? Please.
No, that's what
No, please lime. Please give me a color. Okay, please give me a color. I'm gonna put a water. I don't like this. This is like green brown color. Like
Okay, so
nobody would like this.
see what I have. just magenta.
Yeah. Which is better than mine. So I'm probably gonna turn out pink. I mean purple.
Where is it?
Probably not. Guys, just look at what's doing that. Just look at my slime color. Like, hello here. Nobody likes this color. It's disgusting. You guys can't see really. Like, guys, like, look at this slime. Yeah. Like, I keep mixing it and it's getting like so bad. Oh, it's getting even bigger. This is like,
What the heck?
what?
Purple cabbage is blue.
What the?
Wait, it said purple cabbage. Okay, I guess that'll work perfectly with my slime.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna put a one drop. Yeah. This is like a light blue.
Exactly.
Whoa, that looks like okay.
My turn. I'm not waiting for round 3. Please be a color.
Number 3.
I got them like.
What you got? What you got? Oh, hopefully it's not like I got
Mangoes.
oh, but that's a cool color.
Yeah, okay, I'm putting 3 drops.
Wait, what? Yeah, there's no more. I want to show that camera.
Her spot.
It's really cool. It's like Tide. It looks like
Okay, I put 3 drops.
Tide is actually another type of activator, which is kind of cool.
Okay, yeah, my time definitely.
Oh, is it? How much do we put in it? Oh my god. That's gonna stay in the bowl. The mixing bowl. Anyway, while she's mixing, I am going to choose another color. Oh great, the Amazon truck is coming.
Great!
We're gonna have a lot of background noise. Because we're doing this outside for like social distancing and stuff. And like, mixing it.
Hi, Amazon truck! He was literally staring at me when he said that. That was a loud. What the heck?
Silver glitter!
No! Why me?
I got silver glitter.
That's the second one I got. That's the second one I got. I looked at it. But, so that's why I picked the other one, because I was cheating. I looked at it.
Okay. Guys, this is the silver glitter. It's in a little tube. It's really pretty.
Then I need to get the blue glitter. I really.
Our turns are done.
What?
3 turns. We only
Oh, yeah.
So whatever you have now, that's your
I
final.
only got color. I literally knew that.
Oh my god, guys, it looks like a starry night.
Can I have a little?
You didn't get it, dude.
But I only have color.
That ruins the whole point of the whole.
But then we're doing another video after this. Another slime video.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Mine is literally just plain purple.
Oh, whoa. Alright, guys, I think I know what to do because my friend is super sad that he didn't get something good. So I'm going to dump out all the color ones and I'm going to keep the sequins beads and orbs and the blue glitter and silver glitter. Where's the silver glitter? Okay, I'll put the silver glitter back.
Well, I like my color. It's just I have nothing in my slime, which is disappointing.
Well, I don't think if you put blue glitter in there, it won't show up.
Yeah.
Guys, it's so good.
So mine is like
I don't know, I got so lucky. I don't know.
yeah. After this, we're making another slime. That so annoying.
Alright, guys. Yeah, this is insane. Alright.
And make sure you watch the second slime video because we're going to make one. That animal is so loud. Where's
Where's sequence? The split that says, can we just pretend that if we get, okay, this is the sequence. Yeah.
I don't
Well,
Sequence! Of course what I didn't want.
sequence are good because they do I have to click?
Okay, pick again. Let's go. Just pick again.
I'm going to skip onto the edit that out. Why? You just said my name.
You can't even see the sweet sequence in my phone. Yeah, there's so many bugs here. Even when I put bug spray on, there's like, it's everywhere.
Yeah, we live in Virginia, and I don't know about you guys, but Virginia is so beautiful.
Yeah.
In the comments below, tell us where you live, like what state in the U.S.
And after we're going to do a slime reveal, but not now. And you guys can tell us who slime you think looks better.
So,
This is slime 1, my slime 1. And her slime is slime 2.
all right, we'll give you a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, so we are done with our slimes, and so this is my slime. So it's really glittery, and it's not stretchy, not at all, but it breaks like that, and I mean the sound is kind of satisfying, but nope, not very good slime. It is fluffy though. But it's a pretty color, and it feels kind of like putty, more like Play-Doh, that kind of thing. And that's her slime.
I can't get. So my slime is worse. It still sticks to my hands because I didn't get it out as soon as she did.
A slip is stuck to my hand.
And then, so it's the same like hers. It
Except
stretches.
hers actually stretches some. Mine doesn't even stretch at all.
Mine stretches a little bit. My slime color is purple with sequins in it. I can't even see the sequins.
Because her slime color is so dark.
Yeah.
Also, if you think I should win, then in the comments, vote #StarryNight for this. And if you like hers better, then put
#purple sequin slime.
Alright, so we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Hey guys, so I know that we ended the video, but this is an extra behind the scenes clip. So she just figured out that her slime is actually super stretchy and super awesome. So we just wanted to share that with you. And so I'm pretty sure you're gonna vote for hashtag purple sequins, but please think about it. Mine is super pretty.
But mine's stretchier.
Okay. Well,
Everybody likes stretchier slime, doesn't they? And it's crunchier too. It crunched.
okay.